Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch Litex Windsong Ceiling Fan that I got from my next door neighbor's house. It's not from Habitat, it's from my next door neighbor's house. Yeah, I also got another fan too. I got a Hunter Castleton along with this fan too. And Hunter Castleton has missing parts. It has missing blades, missing blade brackets, all 5 of them, missing light chain switch, and missing finials. Those were the parts that were missing from that fan. Then I got it, and then I got this Windsong, and it was missing the light chain switch, 1 switch housing screw, which is right there, 1 light shade, and a couple mounting bracket screws. But everything else came with the fan. And I did get new small parts for it. So the light shade, I got 2 new light shades for this, and I got this one, and then I got this one. This fan came with 2 light shades, but 1 was missing and 1 was broken. Well, those 2 were in good shape, but I accidentally broke 1 of them, so I had to get another one from Habitat. And then Habitat has 2 of those, and they're exactly the same as the original one. They're exactly the same as the original one. So I picked them up from Habitat. They only had 2, that's all they had. But I'm really happy to have them, and it matches exactly the same too. Got a new switch housing screw, bush nickel, that's all I had. And new mounting bracket screws, all 4 of them. But it did came with 1, but I removed it and put 4 up there. They're in silver. I have a lot of silver screws, so that's why I'm using them. And I got a new light chain switch too, in bronze. And I think bronze is probably antique brass. They're probably the same finish. Bronze / antique brass. Light chain, because the original one's missing, like I said. So I put a new one in it, and it works. So, this fan has a bad capacitor, and it's very slow on all speeds. High speed looks almost like a low speed, but slower. And then medium is slow, and then low is very slow. So I'm gonna have to replace a capacitor and make another video of this fan soon. Yeah, I don't know when that will be. I have to order a new capacitor because I was not expecting this fan to have a bad capacitor. And the capacitor's in good shape, but it's just bad. I have to replace it. And that's probably why my neighbor removed that fan. It's because it has a bad capacitor. That's the main reason why he removed it. And here's a box that came with the fan. And I got them, it has a Hunter Regalia box and a Hunter Castleton box. The Castleton box is original. When I got the Castleton. So the Castleton was used, and I don't know why he saved the box for something, but it was used, and I got the box with it, and Hunter Regalia was used as well. So the Castleton, like I said, it's missing blades and brackets, finials, and light chain switch. But I did get new finials from Hunter Regalia. They're exactly the same as you see, but I paint them bronze to match the Castleton, since the Regalia was in brushed nickel. Yeah, I'm really happy to see those boxes, and I like seeing on these kind of boxes, newer boxes, I like to see the John Hunter wrote right here, and Hunter Fan Company wrote that. I like to see, and that's pretty nice to do that for Hunters. And when I got the box of Regalia, there was no Hunter Regalia in there. No canopy, no downlight, no motor, blades, globe. But it did came with the switch housing, downlight, finials, and the switch housing cap. And that's weird why it came with that, with no Hunter Regalia in there. Just a switch housing, all of that stuff. That's just weird. And then this is the Litex Windsong right here. Light works fine, but the fan is very slow. And I did restore it. I don't think it was dirty, but I cleaned them. But I did clean the fan. And I don't think it was dirty that much, but I cleaned it, like I said. It did have scratches on all those blades. And there was like, I don't know what that is, but it was like a spill or something. Yeah. And there was a lot on those blade brackets, but I brass cleaned just a little bit. But I didn't brass clean them that much because I don't want it to get polished brass. I just want it to look antique brass. Yeah, most of it came off, but it still looks a bit noticeable, but that's okay. Did the best I can, by the way. I didn't feel like doing that on the motor because it will be brighter like that. I just wanted to do it on the blades, just to match. This one's good, right here. There's not really much on that, but blade bracket. It has non-reversible blades. It's oak. Well, I mean, it has reversible blades. I meant to say that. It has reversible oak to walnut. It has reversible blades, 5 blades. And this is a 5-blade and 4-blade motor too. So I might do a video of 5 or 4 blades. So I got LEDs. They don't come with bulbs, so I'm just gonna keep them. There's the canopy up there. This fan's from 2002. It's from January and March of 2002. Because the yellow sticker's January 2001, and then the fan's from January and March 2002. Yeah, I'm about to demonstrate this fan, and there will be background noises, so it is summertime, so there will be background noises. Some of the videos I demonstrate on summertimes, there will be crickets in the background. There will be, well, it's a bit windy outside, so that will be in there too. So I'm about to demonstrate this fan. It's a slow poker right here. I'm about to demonstrate it. Here we go. it's pretty annoying outside a little bit. It's just summertime. But this fan does not make any noise too.